Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is going to be one called the Restaurants of the Macau Taipa Ferry. So you can see all of them right down here, and we're just going to walk down it. I'm using a different camera today. Sometimes I use the GoPro, and it has really nice stabilization. But today I don't want to use that because it keeps overheating. So let me just kind of go through. So this one is more meat, onion rings, kind of fried stuff. It's pretty good actually. This one is more noodles. This was Guangdong cuisine. That one is like salmon and rice and beef and rice. Actually, that looks pretty good too. So okay, so we're just gonna go walk all the way down, and you can also see where people eat too. This one's all panda. It's like pretty good food though. Let's kind of take a look a little bit. That looks pretty good right there. I can eat that. Oh man, this is like, actually this is Sichuan food because it's the panda is for Chengdu, so they have all this kind of spicy stuff. I already ate, so I'm not hungry. But if I was hungry, I think I would eat here. Yeah, this looks like it's all like spicy and good. Okay. So the next one is another Chinese one. This one is, everything's written in Chinese, but they have all the pictures, so I would eat this one in a heartbeat. It's like beef, probably with rice. Noodles too. No English. Oh, there's some English. There's some English on this, on that menu. This one is noodles. This one is crow. So that's mostly noodles. This one is all duck. So you can kind of see that one. Usually though, this is like the skin of the duck. It's usually very popular like that style. And the way they cut it across like that. So you have all the intestines and or bone or whatever that is. So, okay, so those are 1, 2, 3, 6 restaurants. That's your filmer right there. So this one is M&D Cafe. This one has desserts, sandwiches, donuts. A lot of these are to go. Pop-Tarts, Portuguese tarts. Hui Lu Shan. Oh, this looks pretty good. Actually, this one, I think that's yeah, jumbo mango chewy ball. So that's like, it's probably really tasty actually. I should probably get one of these sometime. That's your place people sit. Over here is you can pick up stuff for the ferry. Gong cha. This one I think is all drinks. And so I'll just kind of go take a look at the drinks right here. So you got this kind of stuff. Hello. Thank you. So McDonald's is pretty much everywhere. This one looks like it's all hello. So yeah, this one it's all like dim sum. That looks really good. Pork buns, and they have all this right here too. That looks good. So yeah, actually there's some really good restaurants here. And this one is a Thai one. So this one has Thai pineapple fried rice, all kinds of different stuff. There's all the foods. The most famous one is McDonald's. So okay, so that's basically all of them right there. So now you got an idea of the food court. I'll zoom in a little bit. Yep, a lot of really good stuff there. Okay, hope you like that tour. McDonald's is right here, and then that's basically all of them, but there's about 10 of them there. So we'll stop it right in this spot. We'll zoom in all the way down, and that's the end of this tour.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado. l'amour qui